get pirated football, they get you.
What's that?
When your bank account steal your identity, they'll know everything about you. Everything. You get pirated football, they get you.
And if you're ready, let's get this show on the road, shall we? Welcome along, ladies and gentlemen, to Formula One's new voyage, new era. Time to set sail around the world for 24 rounds, starting here in Australia for the opening race of the season, the 30th anniversary, the first World Championship Grand Prix to take place here in Albert Park. A 3.28 mile circuit, no DRS zones this year, replaced by straight line mode with active aero to help the cars maintain the speed. Overtake and an extra electrical boost will replace